What is going on, guys? I'm welcome to the Wrenchettes. When I want to work on this beautiful G35, but I love as well. And today we're gonna restore a ugly and terrifying taillights that I found in the junkyard. But these are the famous 07s that everybody loves. And I just couldn't pass the opportunity to get these taillights just because they were in bad conditions. So these are the steps that we're going to take to fix this taillight. First, we're going to assess the damage. As you can see, they look like they're warped, and I think that's why they left them there, but this is actually just a cover, a really thick cover. Second, we're going to take off the tints. Is this film supposed to be this thick? I mean, look at this thing. This thing was, as you can see, this thing was hard, man. Third, we are going to take off the heavy glue using glue gun. Fourth, we're going to clean them up and ready for sanding. So I'm doing the final wipe down, just to remove all the glue gone, this thing. Soaking it a little bit, I'm using actual rag. And it's no more glue gone. I think if I put it on like this, it would still look great. But we have so many imperfections here that we need to address. Fifth, we are going to sand 1K and 3K grits. Nice and hazy, which I want. Nice and smooth. Six, we're going to use our copper machine with our strategy to go from the really hard pad, which is the white one, all the way to the black one, which is the softer one for polish. I'm just priming it. Now look at that. I mean, look at that, man. This thing cleaned it up real nice. It needs another round of polish, but this is like the deep cut, so I'm not too worried. Okay, this is the second round of the polish. My God, look at that thing, man. I mean, just look at it. I mean, you could eat off of this thing, man. Look at it. Okay, so this is the only one round with the blue one, and oh my God, man. Jesus. It's looking even nicer. How is this possible? And I still can see the scratch inside the thing. Can't get in there. But man, look, I mean, just look at it. Just stop the nonsense, man.
He's not the man.
I don't think it's gonna look even better than this, but it looks even better. So the last step is to do the polish with this, which is the polishing one. And then I'm gonna use the ultra finishing polish. So there's gonna be like only one pass. And then I guess I'll call it quits on that. This thing is great. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Oh, I have to get my polish off here.
No, that one.
This thing looks brand new, bro. You can barely see any imperfection on this thing. You can see some, but barely any. This thing is like my brand new headlights. Woo! This compound thing is really good. And I'm not even a pro, and look how it looks. I'm sure the pros are like, you know, I'm shaking their heads on how I did it, but hey, I'm learning here, brother. Cut me some slack. Instead of judging me, how about you give me a comment, tell me how to do it better. I accept constructive criticism, because knowledge is power, brother, you know what I'm saying? And 7th, we're going to use ceramic coating to seal the taillights. So that is it for this project. Honestly, from what I've seen in my specific situation, I couldn't get away with using just one hard pad and the ultra cutting compound and then going straight to polish, because I really did felt like I didn't really need all those pads. But I wanted to use them just to experiment and see what was the difference. And I can actually see the difference, but I didn't really need it, if that makes any sense at all. So if you really enjoyed this type of video, please give me a like on this video. And if you found this video informational, please consider subscribing and sharing with your friends that might need these videos as well. So until next time, guys, God bless. Stay prayed up. Peace.